To connect AirPods to the Z Flip 6, start by opening Settings, then select the connections, then select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on, and now get your AirPods. So we need to open the lid and make sure both of the buds are inside of the case. Then we will see this white button on the back of the AirPods, and we're going to long press this button, and we'll keep on holding the button down until we see the white blinking, then we can release. Leave your AirPods open like this, and then on the Z Flip 6, tap the scan option. Now you should see your AirPods show up. Tap on your AirPods to start the pairing, tap pair to confirm the pairing request, and now the AirPods have been paired.